This video is available in English and Hindi. Namaskar. Welcome back to Simplify Your Space. As homemakers, we are often told that we are artists and that homemaking is an art. While these words are meant to be encouraging, we know that the reality of our lives is not always easy. We struggle with waking up on time, cooking nutritious meals for our families, and taking care of our personal health. Sometimes we even experience mood swings that can make it difficult to stay motivated and productive. Let's explore some realistic and practical ways for happy homemaking that I have learned from the past decade. One way to stay motivated is to focus on the positive aspects of homemaking, and there are plenty. Of course, the biggest aspect is that we have the power to create a warm and welcoming home for our families, to nourish them with healthy and delicious meals, and to provide a safe and comfortable environment for them to thrive in. It brings me joy when my family expresses how much they miss our home even after a brief outing for work or vacation. While the longing for a loving home is one thing, transforming that into a reality requires continuous effort and a positive mindset. Being grateful for what we have is important as it allows us to appreciate the good things in our lives. Even though we may not have everything we want, we still have many things that bring us comfort and happiness. Focusing on what we do have instead of what we lack can help us cultivate a sense of contentment and joy. Remember, there are always people who are less fortunate than us. So let's be thankful for what we have and lead happier, more fulfilling lives. Sometimes when I feel down about my homemaking tasks, I remind myself to be grateful for my loving family, my comfortable home, and my access to nutritious food. This helps me to appreciate the good things in my life and find joy in the small moments of my day. Being content with our house responsibilities is very important. It's not always about who is doing how much work, but rather about sharing the responsibilities based on each other's strength and availability. For instance, if your partner is not doing the household chores, but is taking care of other things like managing finances, helping kids with their studies, or taking care of other errands, then that still counts as sharing responsibilities. It is essential to understand that every individual has their unique strengths and weaknesses, and it is okay if someone is not good at something that the other person can do efficiently. For example, when my husband is at home, he does some of the tasks like school and football club pickup and drop for my child. He takes care of finances and paperwork at home that I am not so good at. And whatever may be the trip's length, he is our full-time family driver because I myself scared of driving despite having taken classes for it. Starting your day with some peaceful alone time is a great way to set the tone for the day ahead. Whether it's sitting quietly with a cup of coffee or tea, practicing meditation, or just taking a walk outside, spending some time in solitude can help clear your mind and reduce stress. In addition to taking care of your mental health, it is also important to be mindful for your physical health. Eating healthy, getting enough sleep, and staying active are all crucial to leading a happy and fulfilling life. As homemakers, we often put the needs of our families before our own. But it is important to remember that we can't take care of others if we don't take care of ourselves first. Our social media feeds are flooded with perfectly decorated and spotless homes that can make anyone feel inferior. However, it is important to remember that those images are often staged and not reflective of real life. Even you can see when I shoot, I just show what I want to show you all. Just to create something picture perfect, there is a lot of mess behind. So don't feel pressured to make your home look like a picture perfect one. Instead, focus on creating comfortable and cozy space that you and your family can enjoy. It's not about expensive furniture or designer decor. It's about creating a home that reflects your personality and style. It's important to remember that not everyone in the family shares the same interests and hobbies as you. If you enjoy cleaning and organizing, that's great. But don't make your family members feel burdened by your liking and thoughts. Everyone has different preferences and priorities, and it is important to respect that. If you find that you are the only one who enjoys a particular task, don't force others to do it or make them feel guilty for not sharing your enthusiasm. Instead, find ways to make it enjoyable for yourself and celebrate your own achievements. Remember, a happy home is one where everyone feels comfortable and valued regardless of their interests or strengths. As homemakers, we often feel the pressure of doing everything perfectly and on time. But it is okay to take shortcuts sometimes, and it doesn't mean we are neglecting our duties. In fact, creating shortcuts can make our lives easier and more efficient. For example, meal prepping in advance like cutting veggies, making instant chutney powder, and onion paste can save time and energy while cooking all the meals. Similarly, cleaning floor mats and kitchen cloths in washing machine can save a lot of your time and effort than washing them manually. Taking shortcuts does not mean we are cutting corners or being lazy. It means we are finding ways to make our lives simpler and more manageable. And when we save time and energy, we can use that extra time to relax, rejuvenate, and enjoy our home and family. So let's not feel guilty about taking shortcuts, and instead let's embrace them as a way to make our homemaking journey more enjoyable. It is important to involve our children in household chores from an early age. Not only does this teach them the importance of organization and cleanliness, but it also instills in them a sense of responsibility and independence. When we work together as a family to keep our home tidy, everyone benefits and the workload becomes more manageable. In addition to learning practical skills, involving children in chores can also teach them gratitude and appreciation for what they have. By helping them understand the value of their belongings and the effort that goes into maintaining a comfortable home, we can encourage them to be thankful for what they have and take care of their things. Finally, taking breaks is crucial for avoiding burnout and staying productive. Make sure to take short breaks throughout the day to recharge your batteries and keep your mind fresh. These breaks can be as simple as taking a walk outside, stretching, or reading a book. It's important to also take longer breaks and vacations from time to time to fully disconnect and recharge. Remember that taking care of your mental and emotional well-being is just as important as taking care of your physical health. So give yourself permission to take breaks and prioritize self-care to avoid burnout and stay energized in your homemaking journey. In conclusion, homemaking may not always be easy, but it is a noble and important role that we play in our families and in society. By staying positive, setting realistic goals, and taking care of ourselves, we can navigate the ups and downs of our daily routine with grace and strength. Remember, we are artists and our homes are our canvas. Let's paint a beautiful picture together. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. See you all next week. Bye bye.